Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. New Windows 11 build to look at. This is 25281 for Windows Insiders on the Dev channel. Also, I'm going to show you this video is Notepad now has tabs in it. So this is available to all Windows Insiders, but I thought I'd show this in this build video. So here you can see I've opened up Notepad. I've got a tab. I can open another one, another tab, and so on, just like you can in File Explorer and Edge, and everything that you're getting used to now. Terminal, we've got tabs in, and this has got tabs as well, little indicator to show unsaved items, and you can pull it away like that. There's also the option here to open in a new tab when you open a file or open a new window. So I like that. I like it all in one place, so I'd leave it in tabs, but if you want it in new windows you could. So there you go, finally get tab in Notepad. It's been a while, but we've got it now, so that's good to see. So that's up for all Windows Insiders. For this build, there's a few items I wanted to talk about. Windows Spotlight is being updated. Spotlight is the desktop the desktop background, the screen you see on the lock screen, and you get a picture and some information. So let me have a look. So this bit Hyper-V image isn't activated, but if I go back to my main machine, which is, you can see I can choose Spotlight, and Microsoft are trying different effects on this, and so you may see something different, but with this Spotlight you see a picture, and then you get some information on it. So they're trying out different effects. I haven't got that on my other device, which is activated, so they're just rolling those out, so I'll have to wait and see what that looks like. So another change in settings here is the graphics settings in the system, and they're just changing that, or they're just optimizing that to make it look like the rest of Windows. So this is just now following the Windows 11 style, so make it a bit easier for you to control everything, but see it in one place in one consistent style. Final change is when removing a pairing from Bluetooth, you no longer get a confirmation. So if you remove a device from your Bluetooth, it doesn't pop up saying sure, it just removes it now. So the rest of the changes are just fixes. They've updated the printer icon in the system tray. So they fixed this issue where you click on that and it would take you to the wrong place. That's now fixed. They fixed some issues with Wi-Fi settings, and they've fixed some narrator issues as well. There are still some known issues. ARM64 PCs may still have troubles with Windows Hello. There's some issues with extended build times when you're installing the builds. I haven't seen that. This has been fine. And there's still some issues with search on Task Manager. They're still experimenting with different ways of working with search. It hasn't got the curved edges like it has in the beta channels, so I guess they're still working on that. And there's couple of issues with the Task Manager. That's it for this build. So, but I think the main thing is we've got Notepad now with tab browsing, which is great to see. You can find out more on thedigitallife.com. Follow us on Twitter at ISDixon, and leave any comments on our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot.